Welcome back, collision connoisseurs. Today's video is packed with crazy crashes, clueless drivers, and more bad decisions than an episode of The Steve Wilkos Show. Buckle up, it's about to get ridiculous.
There's more things we can talk about. One is how many giant undiscovered oil fields do you find?
From also they will spend say $10 billion looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth.
Fuck.
There really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional field, but.
Squarespace gives you everything you need to offer services and get paid. Just say I need it. Drive it towards the right. Some of the incendiary horse picks that I've seen, including Steve Bannon on the Clydesdale. One of the worst I saw was Ivanka Trump inside of a mare.
Street and feel like everyone who looked at me could see what I was going through. Like they were peering into my soul, seeing the rape and the doubts and the confusion. Like my eyes were these windows into the most tightly held secret of my life. I would dream of killing it, chopping his
Straight when the stars are not easy. Off to go straight when the stars are not easy. For whatever the reason is.
Solo este sábado y domingo en Onda. Suéteres para adultos a $16 y suéteres para niños.
So annoying.
What is it? Big accident right here. Just happened. Oh, wow. Smart. Thanks. Thanks. You saved us. You're doing good. Just pass it. Pass it too quick.
No.
Don't look to it. Don't look.
Oh, I'm not looking to it. I'm trying to miss all the other stuff and get the people off the, because they don't see it.
Oh, wow. Smart. Thanks. Thanks. You saved us. You're doing good. Just pass it. Pass it too quick.
No.
Don't look to it. Don't look.
Oh, I'm not looking to it. I'm trying to miss all the other stuff and get the people off the, because they don't see it.
Because if you keep.
fuck's sakes.
Jesus Christ. What the f-
Because essentially we're going to do kind of a potpourri. I like to call this the stew episode because, you know, when you're making chili or you're making stew or you're making, you know, potluck dinner, everybody you just kind of throw something at it, right? Well, that's kind of what we're going to do, just short, brief discussions of things that were topical in the news. But before
Just turn me off the road, why don't you?
Thanks for watching and have a great day.